Just like the goods they make, every manufacturing business is more than the sum of its parts. That's why RS has solutions and services that deliver results for everyone, everywhere, because we know how tough it can be to keep things running. Take those hard-working folks who keep the machinery in tip-top condition, for example. When they can't get the parts they need, everything grinds to a halt. And even when they can, the ordering process takes so long that it takes them away from vital maintenance jobs. That's where we come in, with RS ScanStock, our open bin supply solution for easy access and management of fast-moving consumables. It's the easy way to ensure the right products are in the right place when they're needed most for those highly specific urgent items. There's RS Local, our network of branches that offer same-day delivery and collection, consolidated deliveries, kitting solutions, eco-friendly delivery and more. There's RS Vendstock, our line-side industrial vending machines. And with RS Control Stock, our on-site digital kiosk saves time and money by simplifying inventory management. There's also RS Maintenance Solutions, which offers full-site health checks as well as lubrication and calibration services, freeing up your maintenance team to get on with the task at hand. We don't just help them get the job done though, we help them do it safely. RS Safety Solutions, offering everything from site surveys to dedicated health and safety courses, giving you everything you need to be confident about compliance. There's our extensive range of high-quality PPE products, bringing you the widest range of brands at the best possible price. You won't just find us on the factory floor though. Over here in procurement, the pressure's on too, with the team being asked to walk that finest of lines between affordability, efficiency, responsibility and sustainability. With RS, they can. There's our Better World range, a wide range of eco-friendly products that help you hit your ESG targets. There's RS Pro, our own brand range of 80,000 high-quality, competitively priced products. But that's not all. There's our wide range of purchasing solutions too. Taking control of purchasing spend is easy with RS Purchasing Manager. You get an easy-to-use web app that lets you authorize orders centrally at the click of a button, giving greater visibility of spend and saving time and frustration. RS Purchasing Manager delivers benefits to buyers too, whether it's product availability, last-minute orders, or just the sheer complexity of dealing with multiple suppliers. Purchasing Manager delivers the consistency, visibility and certainty that buyers need to do things better. For those more complex ERP systems, we also have e-procurement, which integrates into the purchase-to-pay system. Finally, there's our extensive technical support service. Whether you need product expertise or application support, we're here to help. From the shop floor to the factory door, we offer all that and so much more. From procurement to production, we've got you covered. RS provides the end-to-end solution you need to tackle your biggest manufacturing challenges, wherever they happen to be.